पूर्ण करून देते लॅपटॉपवर. लॅपटॉपवर
Happy morning, everyone. Team, if you could guide me, this is good enough? Is this good enough?
Yes, ma'am, it is perfect. You can turn on your front camera also, so we will spotlight that as well.
Yes, I'll do that. A very good morning, a very happy morning to everyone. I hope you all are doing well. All right. So let me see who all are in the class today. Ojaswin, welcome. Tejas, a very good morning. Good morning. Vanya, Eva, Yuvan, great, great. Aradhya, Vishrut, Riyansh, Riyanshi, Viraj, Dolly, great. A very warm welcome to everyone. It would be great if you quickly put in the chat box which city are you from. Okay. For those who don't know me, my name is Diksha and I'm from Agra. So if you could just let me know which city are you from? Mysore, Noida, Chennai. Wow. Others? Belgaum. Okay. Hyderabad. Okay. Bangalore, Haridwar, Delhi, Pathankot, CHT. I think it's Chandigarh, is it? Pune, Bangalore. Sound is very low. Am I not audible? Am I not audible?
Ma'am, you're clearly audible.
Okay. Pondi as in Pondicherry. Amravati, Koto, Port Blair. Wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Bhubaneswar. Great. Viraj Joshi, please beta check at your end because from my end the volume is full. Ooty. Wow, lovely place. I've been to Ooty. Okay. So a very warm welcome to everyone. And I request if the mothers are around, it would be great if you all could sit with your children for some time because this demo class is more of an understanding for you to understand clearly why should you enroll your child for the phonics class. Yes? Okay, great. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing which city you are from. So, a very warm welcome and let's get started. So, most of you are in which standard? Mumbai. Okay, great. Which standard? Can you give me an idea? First, second? Is anybody in KG, grade 3, grade 1? Okay, grade 3, grade 4. Okay. Grade 3, grade 4. Perfect. Okay. All right. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you. So most of the children here are in the second, third, and fourth grade. Now let us understand what difficulty are we facing. The difficulty that you all are facing in school or the parents feel that the children are facing at school and they want to enroll for the phonics class. So, what is that first difficulty, the most difficult problem that you have? What I understand out of my 9 years of teaching in phonics is that children are having difficulty in learning their spellings. Am I right? If I'm right, please say yes. They have a doubt while they are writing their spellings. Even in the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth standard, tak, I have children who have studied phonics from me even in the 8th standard. It is not their fault at all. You don't have to feel that, oh my God, I'm in the 8th standard, I still don't know my spellings. It is not your fault. You were not taught the right way. So, no problem at all. Yes, yes. That is the biggest challenge. And that is why you end up losing your marks. Am I right? इसलिए marks कट जाते हैं. You do your work so well. and you learn everything so well, but you end up losing marks. Now, just understand, I'll give you 2 or 3 examples with which you will understand that why is a phonics course so important. Yes. Now, just see. Kindly look at this sheet. I'm going to be sharing some examples with you in which you will understand that why is it important to know phonics. Now, there is one sound which I teach my children, all right? And that sound is whenever O-U-G-H-T comes together, whenever, agar kabhi bhi, whenever O-U-G-H-T comes together, it makes ot sound. Ot. Ot. So if you knew the rule that O-U-G-H-T, when it comes together, it makes ot sound, then it will be so easy for you to remember. Fought, thought, isn't it? Draught. Am I right? If you agree this was important or you felt this is going to be easy if you know such sounds, then write E in the chat box. Can you tell me more words with O-U-G-H-T? Can you think of more words with O-U-G-H-T? Fought, thought, draught. I can't think. Can you tell me? Easy, easy. Yes, it will become really very easy. If you understand, this is a very small example. Very, very small. Yes, bought. I was forgetting that only. Bought, brought. Now, do you realize how easy it has become? Sought. Now, do you realize how easy it has become if you already know that whenever O-U-G-H-T comes together, it will always be ot sound. I will give you one more example. Whenever T-I-O-N comes together, whenever T-I-O-N comes together, it makes shin sound. Shin. Not sheen, shin. So if you know T-I-O-N comes together, then it will make shin sound. Then imagine it will become so easy for you to write words like lotion, motion, action, caption, vacation. Yes or no? Promotion, yes, correct. Nation, absolutely right. There are lots of words with shin. Now, if you see T makes T sound, I in short vowel sound makes I sound, O makes O sound if you're taking single sounds, and N says N. Now, if the child is not aware, then the child is reading it differently. Yes, it's tion. Is tion the correct sound? No, it is shin. So when you know that T-I-O-N comes together, and whenever it comes together, it is making shin sound, then it will become very easy for you to read. Do you agree? If you agree, write A. Yes, thank you so much. You all have added so many words. Addition, subtraction, celebration. Awesome, awesome. A very smart lot. Correct. It will become easy for you. It will become very, all the spellings that seem very difficult, big words will become easy for you. Yes? Perfect. I want to share one more example with you, which you will feel that it is so important to know this because we are not learning this in most of the schools because the teachers are not trained that way. The teachers are excellent, but they are not trained that way. Yes? So let's see another sound. Whenever G is followed by means whenever after G we write I, E or Y. Whenever after G there is I, E or Y, the sound of G is G. Yes or no? Correct? Am I right? The sound of G is G. Yes. But whenever I, E or Y is after G, the sound changes to J. Yes. Now let's see an example. GEMS, gems. It's my favorite. Yes. Do you say, I want to eat gems? How many of you tell your mother, Mama, mujhe gems khana hai. I want to eat gems. You don't say gems. You say gems. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? You do that because after G there is a E. My father goes to the gym. My father and mother do not go to a gym. They go to a gym. Why is G sound making a J sound? Only because Y is there. Yes. How many of you know that your mama loves to have tea which has ginger, not ginger? See, amazing examples are already in the group. You can see gym, giraffe, giant, genuine. Yes. And when children are writing spellings, they end up writing J. It is not their fault. They do not remember. They end up forgetting because they're not taught the right rule. So if after G, whenever there is a I, E or Y, the G sound of G changes to J sound. That is one of the rules in phonics. So when children are learning various such rules, these are very little things that I'm telling. When they are learning all these things, they have so much more clarity. Yes? So, ginger, gym, gems, giant. Yes? Giraffe, so many other examples are there. So, these are very, very few examples. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. 26. Rashika Pathak, ma'am, we have to write. No, it's not necessary. I'm just giving you examples. Okay, so if you want to make notes, it's your wish. If you don't want to make notes, it's okay. This is just a demo class. Yes? All right. So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. But the children here are going to be taught more than 42 to 45 sounds. Because there are many, many combinations of letters. Yes, when two letters come together, they are called a digraph, right? So they are making different sounds, right? That is the reason why we have to understand, the parents have to get clarity that phonics is a course which will help your child to first get the clarity of sound. Once the sounds are clear, the children will be in a position to read better. When they are reading better, they will have more confidence because a lot of schools take reading exams. Moreover, even if they don't have exams, reading exams, the child is reading questions. The child is reading all the time. Yes. So that is the reason why if the child has clarity in sounds, the child will be able to read words better. When you are reading a word, then you will be able to read. Girl is an exception. Rashika Pathak and Hishita Rami Reddy. Yes, there are exceptions in everything, sweetheart. Yes, so girl is an exception. Right? It's not girl, it's girl. Yes, there are exceptions also. Okay? So the whole idea about going through a phonics course is that the child ends up reading comfortably, has clarity of sounds, ends up building a lot of confidence. That is the reason why a phonics course is so important, because when the child is not able to read the instructions, when it is given sometimes in a question paper, most of the parents who come to me say that the class teacher says that the child cannot read questions on their own when the children are young, class 1. And they end up asking the teacher all the time, what is the question, right? So in that situation, it is very difficult for the parent, and then they rush that let's enroll the child for the phonics class. Yeah. So please understand that reading is a skill, and a skill is built with time. We cannot rush. I have to teach 42 to 45 sounds. I cannot teach 10 sounds in one class. So I go very slow. There are regular dictations so that I come to know where the child is lacking. The batch size is going to be very, very small, of only 12 children in one batch. So the child has to read, the child has to do dictation every time. Yes, that is the reason why the importance of the phonics class is at this point of time very crucial, because your child is still in the developing years. Children who are in the 4th standard, you might feel that we are already too old. But remember one thing, by the time you go to the 6th standard, there are a lot of children who still have problems with spellings, right? So I would request the parents to get this clarity and not put your child through this trauma of learning spellings and learning by rote method. There are many spellings which are called tricky words. Yes. Now, tricky words are those words which do not have any kind of explanation. They do not follow any kind of rule. Yes. So those words are to be learned by heart. We don't have an option for that. There are certain words like that. But there are few words like that. Most of the words are covered with various rules. And if the child is clear with those rules, then it is going to be very, very easy for the children. Yes. So these are very, very few things. I've just given you a taste of what the phonics program is like. Yes. So if any parent has any kind of doubt or wishes to ask me any kind of question, please feel free to ask any kind of question or doubt that you have. Please feel free to ask. The batch size is going to be very small. We are starting on next Saturday, and anybody who realizes that everything will be covered, Aditya, see, what all will you cover? This program is a very long program. It will go around for 1 year, right? Because as I told you, the class is going to be only 2 times in a week. That is one on a Saturday, one on a Sunday. The timings and details will be sent to you, right? And the process is very slow because we cannot rush the children. Whatever they are learning, we want them to imbibe it. Yes. So once they are doing that, we will be having regular dictations in every class. The child will be unmuted because the child will have to read. And one request to the parent, that the child is going to meet me only 2 times in a week. So it is very, very important for you to sit with the child at least for 15 minutes twice a week to just do a recap. If there is no recap done at home, or when the child is not having a class, then the child will get totally disconnected. Not more than 15 minutes are needed for this. So please recap when you know the class is on Saturday and Sunday. Maybe you can sit on a Friday or a Thursday and just do a quick recap of 15 minutes. All right. There is one question here. My daughter is going to start second grade, can speak English but cannot read or write properly. Which group she has to join? This one or junior batch? Ma'am, I would suggest junior batch. See, why? Because even for the senior batch, the basics will be covered, but just because of their age, we will go a little faster, right? So it depends on the child's grasping capacity. Yes, I would suggest it's better if the child has just gone to grade 2, right? Then I would suggest that please enroll your child for the junior batch. I would suggest that. Okay, my son is in the 3rd grade now, Yashveer Lamba. Okay. Okay, ma'am, 3rd grade and the child has problem with spellings. That's what the basic problem is always. So he reads English very well. Okay, that's lovely. Then, ma'am, what is the challenge? If you could just let me know. Which badge to join? Okay. He reads English very well. So does he have a challenge with spellings? Learning, you mean writing spellings?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're unmuted. Okay, great. If you could, Tim, if you could spotlight Yashveer Lamba's mom.
Yashvi ma'am, can you please raise your hand so that we can identify you? Hi, you need to turn on your camera. Then only we'll be able to spotlight you. We are not able to add, ma'am. Her camera is turned off. Mothers, you can turn on your camera and please raise your hands and so that we can identify you and we can unmute you.
Okay, kindly let us know the difference between the junior and the senior batch. Is it the words and complexity needed as per age? One moment. Like phonics and alphabets are same, so I would like to know. Okay. Let me just first answer this question, Nandita. Nandita. Okay. So, ma'am, the course is the same for all the children. The course is not going to change, right? But the ideal age for the junior batch is children who are in maybe KG. See, the minimum age is 4 years. Below that, we don't take children, right? So once the child is 4 plus, the child should know how to write A to Z very, very comfortably. Because when I'm giving dictations, if the child doesn't know the alphabet only, it's going to be very, very tough. Because I will not be doing recognition of the alphabet. That is done in the playgroup level and the nursery level, right? So once the child is 4 plus, can comfortably write A to Z, then the course remains the same, but the speed changes a little bit. Yes, the course will remain the same. Nandita ma'am, I hope I have given you clarity. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Fine. Okay, great. Thank you. So the course remains the same for all the children, but the speed with which we move is a little different. Everything else is going to remain the same. The children will be doing regular dictations. The children will be doing, because my target is sentence dictation. When I'm saying a sentence, the child should be able to write it. Yes. And then paragraph dictation also. And reading also. Yes. Okay. Aditya C. Okay, you don't want to ask anything. Okay, no problem. Anybody else who wants to ask a question? Sanvi is highlighted. Sanvi, do you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I will ask. Ma'am, do we need to write in a notebook?
Team, 1 second, sweetheart. Team, please mute Devanshi. I think Devanshi, one child is speaking. It's getting very confusing.
Ma'am, what is the means of?
Sanvi's mama, you are free to ask me a question, please.
हेलो मैम.
Hello, good morning. हाँ जी,
गुड मॉर्निंग
tell me.
मैम.
Please tell me.
मैम इन्हें कंफ्यूजन है. हम इन्हें कौन से बैच में डालें ये थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन है. अभी
मैम,
इन्हें
which
मतलब
which standard किस क्लास में है वो?
सेकंड में है मैम.
सेकंड में है. तो
हाँ.
अभी इनको जस्ट सेकंड में आए हैं.
नहीं मैम, इन्होंने पास आउट किया है सेकंड क्लास. अभी थर्ड क्लास में है.
थर्ड में जाएंगे. देन शी कैन गो टू द सीनियर बैच मैम. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि मैम कोर्स सेम रहेगा. कोर्स में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है.
यस मैम.
कोर्स सेम रहेगा, है ना?
हम्म.
बट क्योंकि ये बच्चे थोड़े ज्यादा बड़े हैं, अब आप क्लास 1 और क्लास 3 के बच्चे में डिफरेंस सोचो कितना ज्यादा हो जाता है,
यस.
राइट? तो
यस.
बच्चा का ग्रास्पिंग पावर बेटर हो जाती है.
यस मैम.
तो थोड़ी सी हम स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं. अगर पेरेंट कंफर्टेबल है तो हम थोड़ी स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं, बस दैट्स इट. बाकी कोई भी प्रोग्राम में ये नहीं है कि सिलेबस में कोई चेंज है.
यस.
तो आप उसके लिए निश्चिंत रहिए.
थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू. Devanshi, whether to write the notes or not write the notes is totally your choice, sweetheart. It is not a compulsion, okay? Thank you, beta. All right. Anybody else who team, I hope you can check out the messages. There are parents who wish to ask some questions. If you could just highlight them. Thank you. Okay. Neeru ji, yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Very well. Thank you so much. बताइए, please.
Ma'am, actually, मेरी daughter second class में आई है right now, but she is unable to communicate with someone. So what we can do in this application actually?
You mean she is not able to communicate in English?
Right, ma'am. Right.
Okay.
जी.
So she doesn't understand basic, or she doesn't want to
She
communicate.
understand. नहीं, she understand the English. She can read easily. Her pronunciation is also very good, but unable to speak in front of any person. Like teacher है मैम, वहां पर उसको बोलना थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट कर देता है. In front of public speaking वो कॉन्फिडेंस से थोड़ा सा लैक हो जाती है. तो in this matter, what we can do, मैम?
मैम देखिए, अगर आपको लगता है कि रीडिंग इज अ प्रॉब्लम और द चाइल्ड इज लैकिंग कॉन्फिडेंस इन रीडिंग,
रीडिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. रीडिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैम.
रीडिंग में साउंड क्लैरिटी कोई नहीं है, कोई मतलब
Everything.
एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, देन मैम द फोनिक्स क्लास इज नॉट द आंसर फॉर हर.
Okay, fine.
Because over here, ma'am, we are teaching clarity of sounds. We are doing regular dictations. We are going to ask the child to read. Children who are having challenges with reading, making spellings, making a lot of spelling mistakes, which is the biggest challenge every parent faces. So we are basically
Okay, ma'am.
taking care of that over here. है ना? If you feel
Okay.
reading is
हाँ
not a
जी.
challenge, spellings is not a challenge, then ma'am, the phonics course is not recommended for the baby.
ओके मैम. ठीक
Right?
है मैम. थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच.
you,
हाँ
Ji.
जी.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच.
you, Ji. Okay. Team. Adya Sharma. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Actually, I have to talk about Adya. She is having basic knowledge of phonics, meaning जो base है, जैसे आपने पढ़ाया. I just want to enhance her reading and knowledge of the phonics.
Okay, ma'am. तो
She
basic
knows.
sounds की knowledge है, ma'am?
ये सब मैम, digraphs, even digraphs, and how to blend, but the core of it is required.
Okay. The core is required. Ma'am, if you could, I can't see your face.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Acha. Okay. So you feel you want to brush up.
Brush up, enhance, not brush up. I just want to enhance her knowledge
You want to
regarding
enhance her
phonics.
knowledge. No problem.
Yes.
So, ma'am, which standard is she in now?
She is in second standard, but I would like to join senior course
Ha, that's what I'm saying.
because I
If she
know her
already.
capacity and capability.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, then I would suggest if she has a knowledge of basic sounds, see, we will be covering, but in a little faster mode.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Ma'am, is this a group class?
yes, ma'am, a batch of 12.
Batch of 12. And one thing more I would like to ask,
Ji,
these classes are conducted on weekends only, Saturday and Sunday?
only weekends, ma'am. Yes.
And what is the suggested time for the class?
I'll just tell you. Team, if you could just please post the message for the timings, details of timings for Saturday and Sunday.
Actually, she's already having her yoga class on Saturday and on Sunday. That's why I would like to confirm the timings as well.
Okay. Ma'am, my team will just.
Timings. Okay, ma'am. The timings for Saturday and Sunday would be 10:30 to 11:30 time.
10:30 in the morning.
Yes, 10:30 in the morning.
Sometimes she has to go to the school as well on Saturdays. Otherwise, she's having off on Saturday. Then what is the other option? कई बार ना स्कूल में बुला लेते हैं on Saturdays.
For now, we have only one time slot available, but we will be sharing the notes and recordings of all the class. So if you have missed it, you can cover it from the recording and maybe next day you can clear your doubts on Sundays.
Okay. And duration of the class?
It would be 45 minutes. Duration of the course is 1 year, and the duration of each class would be around 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Okay. And what about the fee? Have you shared in the group? What would be the fee of the
Ma'am,
course?
it will be 2,000 rupees per month. Okay. And the class duration will be, as told you, ma'am, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Every
45
child will
minutes.
be given a chance to unmute. That is the reason why we are keeping the batch size very small so that I can give personal attention to every child. Every child is supposed to read. And my target for the phonics class generally is that when I'm doing a dictation, the child is able to write it comfortably. So for that, paragraph dictation, sentence dictation, first of all, it is sounds dictation, the sounds that I teach. Second stage is the words. The third stage is sentences. And the fourth stage is paragraph dictations.
Okay.
So
But
for
ma'am,
that,
I think if it is a group of 12, then it will be difficult to cover every child and to give him or her the chance to speak and read the sentence or even the paragraphs.
no, ma'am, that is the reason why we are keeping a batch of 12 only. And moreover, ma'am, we are not very rigid with the timings. If it takes more than an hour, we will definitely give that much time, because if we are not if we are not giving them an opportunity to speak, then there is no point.
No
They need to
point,
get that
right.
kind of clarity. Because
Right. I
writing
mean to
zaruri
say
hai,
every
but
child
utna-
should get the time, isn't
that
it?
is what, ma'am. And moreover, agar it exceeds 45 minutes, it's really not a problem. So we can't be very rigid with time.
Okay.
Ji,
That's nice.
Ji. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Tejas.
Yeah,
team,
ma'am,
if
two
you-
queries. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
So,
morning. Yes, sir. Please bataiye.
So one query is already answered, that you would be sharing notes and video recordings for the session, just in case we miss.
Everything. Yes.
So do we get a kind of a syllabus also for the 1 year, like what would be covered during the year? That is one
Yes,
thing.
yes, absolutely. A detailed syllabus of all the, see, basically the whole course is about 3 different levels. So the first level is all the various sounds that we cover. As I told you, 45 plus sounds are covered with the 26 letter alphabet that the children know, right? The second stage is lot of rules and alternatives are taught to the children, that when they are forming words, what can be alternatives? Alternatives means when 2 letters are put together, they can make 2 different sounds.
Yeah.
So the child is made aware of both the sounds.
Okay.
Right. Now I'll give you one example, sir. Team, if you could highlight my screen, please. Thank you so much. Now I'll give you an example, a very small example. Now, see, T and H, right? T and H together make two different sounds, th and the. Math, with, th. And the is this, that. So the child is taught both. Right?
Okay.
So like that, there are many alternatives in phonics, many
Okay.
rules. And
And
then ultimately it's blends that are covered. And during all this time, dictations are given regularly. Word dictations are given regularly because, sir, I will come to know the progress of the child through the dictation.
Understood, ma'am. So, and how about the pronunciation, reading part of it? Because this covers only one part of the thing where they learn the spellings and they are good at dictation. So, how about pronunciation? So, is it also covered somehow, or do we need to do something else about it?
No, you don't have to do anything else about it because, as I just mentioned to the other parent, the child will be unmuted and has to read every time.
Okay.
That is why the
Okay.
batch size is very small of only 12 children. I could have
Okay.
taken a 50 children batch, but I can't give them time at one time. I
Understood,
mean, at
ma'am.
one go. It's very
Sure.
tough. So the child will be reading. Wherever the pronunciation goes wrong, I will check the child immediately.
Okay, so these were the queries, and like there may be some difference of opinion. Like you talked about that shin, TION, shin. So,
Ji.
but when we actually read, it was shun, right? Motion. So the E was dropped. So shin and shin, there is a bit of difference, and same with the with. So how do we take up those cases with you? Do we have kind of a parents interaction where we get clarifications?
Sir, whenever there is any doubt, see, it is just the way you pronounce the word.
Yeah.
Right? I call it motion.
Yeah. So
Right. So this is just a little. So when the children are trained with me, right? So sometimes the child understands the difference, and many a times children end up telling their parents कि ये ऐसे नहीं है, ऐसे होता है. So it's just a matter of the way you pronounce it because everybody
So-
has a different pronunciation
yeah,
of.
but most of the dictionaries, they have transcribed the sound as well. So I think generally there will be one sound. We pronounce it differently, so that's there. But the correctness is always, most of the standard dictionaries are carrying the standard way to pronounce the word as well, right? And so maybe 1 or 2% cases we find that okay, there is a difference. We think, and then we check with the dictionary. If we come across something like this, so how do we raise that with you? Do we have
we
some
can
interaction with
always
the parents?
interact. You can personally tell the team, and if there is any such query,
Okay, understood.
we can
Okay,
definitely connect.
okay.
There is no means I'm very approachable because
Okay,
if the
okay.
parents, if I'm not approachable, sir, then it's going to get very tough for you.
Yeah,
So there
that's
might
okay.
be a lot of doubts. If you feel there are 2 or 3 things that you need to discuss, you can update it to the team. They will share their contact number. And
Understood.
I'll make sure that I get on a Zoom call with you to clarify
Okay.
all the doubts. Don't worry
Thanks a
about
lot.
it at all.
And that was great help. And please request the team to share the payment link also, so that Okay.
Ji, absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Ayushi ma'am, kindly do the needful.
Yes, the registration link would be shared in the same WhatsApp group where you all receive the Zoom link for the class. We will share it there so students can enroll from there directly.
Thank you. Okay, Aradhya. Aradhya, do you wish to ask any question? No. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
this is
please tell.
Advaita. Yeah, this is Advaita. Yeah,
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Yeah, actually, thought to check with you. What is the frequency of classes? How frequent you will be having?
Two classes in a week.
Okay. And is there any specific tentative timings?
Sir, all the details will be shared. Ma'am just shared it. The classes are on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday in the morning, 10:30. Yes.
Okay.
Junior, senior batch, there are 2 batches. So,
Okay.
team, if you could just post a detailed message on the group, it will be very easy for the parents who are in the Zoom meeting. Kindly post the timings.
Sure, please allow me for a minute. I'll post it.
Yeah. Sir, in just a minute
Okay.
or two, all the details will be posted. Yeah.
Okay. And along with the phonics, is there any thought of having the public speaking as well?
Sir, phonics and public speaking are 2 different topics.
Okay, fine, got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, madam. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, try for evening session as most of the kids have school. Okay, we can work on that. That's not a problem. Ma'am, a child can listen whatever you are saying this. A child can listen whatever. Okay. Okay. The timings, we'll try to work this on. Yes, there
I
is a
have shared
difference.
the time slots in the group. Everyone can check it from there.
Yeah.
For the senior batch, it is going to be same on Saturday and Sunday, 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And for junior batch, Saturday's time is going to be 11:30 p.m. and Sunday's time would be 1 p.m. I've shared it in the group itself.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Does anyone have any other doubts? Anybody who has any doubts is most welcome to ask.
Yeah, ma'am, one last query. Sorry, I forgot earlier. So, how do we get feedback on kids' progress, like a monthly or quarterly basis? So,
Sir,
whether
we'll have a Zoom meeting like this, like a PTM.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So that if there is anything at your end that you wish to ask or communicate, whatever, है ना, we'll plan a PTM at a good time which suits all the parents also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure.
And
Thank
then we can and you can update me. You can maybe make notes. We'll have it once a month or maybe
Okay.
once in 1.5 months or something. So you can make notes that this you need to ask or tell
Okay.
me or whatever. So
And
I will be updating. Don't worry about it.
so, do you have any something running similar for Hindi also? Because this is one part, the English.
Yes. We are going to start Hindi phonics very, very soon. We are getting a lot of demand for that. We'll start
Okay.
Hindi phonics very soon, sir.
Okay, ma'am. We'll wait out. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Do we get any study? Yes, you will be given worksheets. You will be given worksheets for practice. Yes. And moreover, there will be regular dictations in the class itself, plus you'll be getting worksheets. Regular dictation, reading practice will be done in the class itself. But a humble request to all the parents that please make your child revise at home. 50% effort is mine and 50% effort is yours. So if we collaborate, then the child will definitely overcome all the obstacles of reading. But if the child is not doing regular revisions at home, it is very tough. So please make an effort. Yes.
So we will be having our regular classes from this Saturday, upcoming Saturday.
Yes. Classes are starting from coming weekend. Hanvit Ram has a question. Yes, please tell me. Can we unmute Hanvit Ram? Yes, please tell me.
1 second.
Parents, if you have any more questions, please open your camera and raise your hand so that we can identify you.
Ma'am, course duration is 1 year.
Hanvit,
This is a
please
long
unmute
program.
yourself.
I think there's no parent near him. Okay, the course fee, ma'am, is 2,000 per month. Okay, I just want to clarify one point, is that please understand that this is a skill that we are developing. So this is going to take a lot of time. And that is why if you think that you can enroll your child maybe for 2 months or 3 months, trust me, it will not help the child at all. The reason is that the child will not be able to grasp anything. If the child is only joining for 2, 3 months or 4 months, and then when the child leaves the course, they will only have half knowledge, which is going to be totally not helping them in any way. So if you enroll the child, kindly complete the course so that it is beneficial. Yes?
You know what?
What?
Okay, does anyone else have any kind of questions or doubts? All right.
I think we are done, ma'am.
We are done. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Ma'am, at the end of the course, will kids be able to write on their own? Yes, ma'am, if they are practicing regularly in the class and with you, then definitely they are young, so they need little encouragement from you also. So kindly encourage them, make them practice at home. They are going to be practicing with me as well. So they will definitely be able to write on their own. They need little pushing. We both will have to do it equally. I will also be doing it, and you will also have to do it with them. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. And if you wish to register, please get in touch with the team. Thank you so much.